Hello everyone. So this is our K-12 kit and today we will be working on the project Slide Pump Control. So let's see how it's done. Now, first of all, I've taken this container full of water and I've submerged the water pump inside it and connected this straw or a pipe to it. Now let's make the connections. First, we will connect the power to the slide switch. Then, the red wire of the water pump to the slide switch and the black one to the ground. Now, before turning the switch on, I will hold the other end of the pipe on top of the container so that the water doesn't spill outside. Now let's turn it on and see if it works. See, it's working. The water starts circulating as soon as we turn the switch on. Let's turn it off and see if it stops. So, this proves that our project is working very nicely. And this is how it's done.